In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS in Hubspot, a task that should take about 5 minutes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be ready to communicate with your customers via SMS directly from Hubspot, making your marketing efforts even more versatile and effective. And to get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is where your journey begins, so fire up your favorite web browser and head over to Hubspot's website. Once you're there, you should see the option to log in, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Fill in your email and password carefully, make sure you're using the correct account credentials to avoid any hassle later on. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub for accessing the various tools and features that HubSpot offers. Spend a moment to get oriented, especially if this is your first time here. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find everything you need quite intuitively. Once you feel comfortable, look towards the top navigation menu and click on the Marketing tab. This section houses all the marketing tools HubSpot has to offer. Selecting marketing is crucial because it will give you access to the SMS setup we're focusing on today. Next, within the marketing section, you'll find the SMS option. Click on SMS to enter the text messaging setup area. It's really quite straightforward and is specifically designed for easy setup and management of your SMS communications. This is the key step where you will configure your SMS settings, so take your time exploring the options available. Before proceeding further, ensure that you understand how you want to use SMS for your marketing needs. Whether it's for promotional messages or transactional updates, having a clear plan will make this setup more beneficial for your business in the long run. And there you have it. By simply following these steps, visiting HubSpot, logging in, navigating to the home and marketing sections, and finally accessing SMS, you can effectively set up SMS within just a few minutes. Remember, regularly check back on your SMS campaigns to monitor what's working and adjust your strategy as needed. We hope this guide has been helpful, clearing any obstacles in setting up SMS in HubSpot. Feel free to revisit these steps if needed, and soon enough you'll be expertly using SMS to enhance your marketing outreach. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your SMS campaigns.